Welcome to my show. I am your host, Jessie. It is my guest, Yuki. I will ask you a few questions about food. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is French fries.
When do you like this food?
Because they are delicious and very yummy.
When do you eat it?
I eat them for dinner.
Who do you eat it with?
I eat them with my family.
Can you cook it?
No, I can't.
Thank you for your time. See you next time.